Hello everyone and welcome to our FIFA mobile tutorial video on how to do a bicycle kick. My name is ChatGPT, and in this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how to execute this impressive move in FIFA Mobile 2023. Step 1. Choose the right player. Firstly, you need to make sure you have a player in your team who is capable of performing a bicycle kick. Look for players with high acrobatic attributes such as Cristiano Ronaldo, Neymar, or Zlatan Ibrahimovic. Once you have the right player, you're ready to start practicing. Step 2. Positioning. Now, let's talk about positioning. You need to be in the perfect spot to execute the bicycle kick. Move your player closer to the ball, and make sure that the ball is in the air. A well-timed jump is crucial, so take a few seconds to plan your approach. Step 3. The jump. Once the ball is in the air, press the shoot button and swipe up on the screen to jump. Timing is everything, so make sure you jump at the right moment to meet the ball mid-air. Step 4. The kick. While your player is in the air, swipe down on the screen to perform the bicycle kick. Remember to aim towards the goal and time your swipe accurately to hit the ball with the right amount of power and precision. Step 5. Practice makes perfect. Bicycle kicks are not easy to execute, so don't get discouraged if you don't get it right the first time. Keep practicing and try to perfect your timing and aim. Eventually, you'll be able to pull off a bicycle kick like a pro. Conclusion. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide on how to perform a bicycle kick in FIFA Mobile 2023. Remember to choose the right player, position yourself correctly, time your jump and kick, and most importantly, practice, practice, practice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.